everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. So, I want to start off by saying thank you so much to you guys for supporting me and watching my videos and liking and subscribing because we hit our 100, I don't know which way the video is gonna, but anyways, we hit our 100 subscribers, guys. We did it. I'm so happy that we hit that. Some may think that it's a small number, but it isn't to me. It's a milestone that we're hitting. Next one would be 1,000. I hope so, please. So share the videos, like and subscribe. It means the world to me, guys. I have so much fun doing these videos and editing and just creating these contents for you to watch and enjoy. So yeah, thank you so much. But anyways, let's get on to the video. So today we're gonna learn how to do our own DIY dip powder holiday nails. That's like such a long title, I know. But look at them. This is what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? I did it all on my own at home. It'll save you so much money, trust me. I've been doing my nails for a very long time now. I mean, I only do like the fake nails if it's like a special occasion. Do my nails, like I'll go to the store and do my nails and everything, but I rather do it at home because it saves you like 40-50 bucks. So what is dip powder? You know, it's not acrylic, but let's look it up. Let's take out my handy dandy.
Alright, so dip powders are a combination of glue-type liquid and powder that hardens when it hits the air and leaves long-lasting color on your nails, minus the need for ultraviolet UV lighting to cure or dry.
I don't know. I'm not a nail tech, so I just wanted to save a buck. So I learned how to do my nails by myself. And they're decent. I get compliments on them, so
okay.
It's cute, right? But anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and get on to the video. Whoosh. I know what you're thinking, super Asian with a bucket. But anyways, these are my nails. Yes, only one of them are still hanging on. Gotta make sure to take off that ring. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started by soaking up our hands in warm water. This process will help soften up the skin. Yeah, my nails are in pretty bad shape. Now we're gonna go ahead and dry off our hands and clean and prepare our station. Next, you're gonna take your cuticle nail pusher to prepare your nails if it wants to come out anytime now. This is what it looks like. Use this to start cleaning up your nail bed. You're going to do that with all your nails. Look at all that skin and dirt. Gross. Take your cuticle trimmer and start cleaning up your nails. Be careful to not cut too much, just the excess skin. This is what it looks like. Now we are going to use the filer to rough up your nail beds a little bit. Don't do too much, you just want to roughen up enough for the powder to stick. Now moving on to dip powder. I'm using the Kiara Sky's powder in pure white and also in the color pixie dust. Isn't it so pretty? These are the bottles in the kit. It has numbers labeled on them to make it easy. You want to lightly shake up number 1, which is the bond. Now you want to polish that all over your nails. Next step would be number 2. Try not to tip this bottle, that's why this happened. Yeah, number 2 is the base. This is what the powder sticks on. This is what the powder looks like. Polish number 2 on 2/3 of your nail, just like so. And now you're going to dip your nail into the powder. Trying to shake some of the loose powder off. Do that with all your nails. It gives it time for the base to dry with the powder. Now you want to lightly dust off all the excess powder. You can use any fluffy brush to do so. You want to shake up the pixie dust powder. What the fuck? So pretty! Take number 2 base and put that all over your nail. Then dip it in the powder. Try not to spill like me. I'm making a mess. You want to make sure that you get the bond all over your whole nail. Tap excess in the jar so you don't waste. This is the second layer. Again, lightly brush off the excess. Now that you put on your third layer and final powder layer, you want to use number 3, Seal Protect, all over your nails. This helps seals in the product. Your nails should feel hard. Now you will take your file and start shaping down your nails to your liking. Make sure you don't file off the powder, be gentle. Now buff out your nails with the buffer. If you have an electric buffer, even better. This is just what I got. Make sure to smooth out those nails. Rinse your hands in only water. Grab the number 3 Seal Protect and put that all over your nails again. Make sure you let it dry before putting on the top coat. Now onto number 4, the top coat. Make sure you cover the whole nail. Look how shiny it is. Let it dry and put on the second coat. Doesn't it look so pretty? Oh, and it dries pretty quickly too. Now take any nourishing oil and put that all over your cuticles. Rub it into your fingers. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my hand. My other hand. Yeah. Guys, so that was the end. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. It was fun to film, but I told myself that I would never do a voiceover again, and here I go. I did it. You know, voiceovers are actually pretty hard, well, to me.
I mean, like, you have to film the video, then you have to edit the video, and then you have to, like, voice over the video, like, going along with your edits, you know?
But it's so much fun. I definitely enjoyed it. I mean, this probably won't be my last voiceover as well. It's just, I feel like my voice sounds like a little girl, right? Like, I'm not trying to sound like a little child, because I'm not. Kind of old, but no one will ever know. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share the video with your friends, you know? Because your girl loves the support. Really been enjoying the holiday videos out there. The holiday vibes just makes me so happy. You know, the weather is perfect. It's in like the 60s, and that's what I like. I'll see you guys in my next video next Sunday at 12 p.m. All right, guys. Bye.